Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add another admin to your Facebook business page. First thing you want to do is switch to your page. I'm going to switch to a page that I have called ABC page, and once you're in your page, press on the icon at the top right corner of the screen, scroll down and click on settings and privacy and settings. Once in settings, scroll down and find page setup. Inside page setup, you'll find page access. Click on view. First option is people with Facebook access, and the second option is people with task access. So what this basically does is if you give someone Facebook access, it will be an additional admin to your page, and if you give someone a task access, they will only be able to do particular tasks on that page. So that might be helpful as well, but since we're looking to add an admin, I'm going to go with people with Facebook access. You want to press on add new next to people with Facebook access. Once you do that, Facebook gives you a description of what this means. Click on next and search the name of the person that you want to add as an admin. So I'm going to add Kim Fung. Now, to make this person a full admin, you will have to allow this person to also have full control. Tap on the slider and press give access. This final step, you'll have to enter your password. I've entered my password, and once I've confirmed, here you go, Kim Fung. Invite expires in 30 days. All that remains is for the person to accept your invitation, and now they're an admin to your page. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content such as this. Have a great day.